Good morning, everyone. Massive news for Terra Luna Classic this morning. I'm not sure if you've seen it, but let's just jump straight into it. So Litho.ai network have announced something crazy over the last days, and this is the website here, LithoSphere. LithoSphere is the next generation network for cross-chain applications powered by AI and deep learning. But all of this aside, the cross-chain DeFi broker, which is really nice and everything, they've announced something absolutely astonishing, and it's really going to help the Luna Classic ecosystem. So let's have a little look at the tweet. This is the one. Litho will support Terra Luna Classic as one of the networks in the upcoming cross-chain Play to Earn Finesse W3 games with a goal to burn 2.5 trillion during the gameplay. That's 2,500 billion Luna tokens. I think that's a really optimistic target. Maybe it's a little bit unrealistic, but you know, that would be around about something like maybe even 40% of the total supply right there, you know. That's immense. I don't know what their time frame is for this particular target, but if it does happen, that's really bullish for the whole Terra Luna ecosystem, and we would probably knock off a zero if that actually happened. It would be good to see when it could happen by. I don't know if there's an article here to read. I can't actually find one. I'd like to have looked at one. Could be this one here. But yeah, so it says to accommodate the burn, CAD Labs will allocate 50 million to 100 million to burn up to 2.5 trillion Terra Classic in Finesse games. So this is super duper bullish. Really excited to see this. You can see Terra Classic is ranked 32 now, guys. $0.002849, $1.7 billion market cap. So if you're new to the channel, by the way, do slap that subscribe button. It'd be great if you could help me hit that big 7,000 before November. So we can see last 7 days, we have had a big breakout. We're just sort of chopping sideways and trading sideways at the moment. So we had our big bull flag right here. It was a broadening descending wedge that we broke out of up to the 0.000297, and now we're getting that breakout again. We had a nice symmetrical triangle. I was saying there's a good chance we're going to break out to the upside, and Luna Classic did exactly that. It got rejected at 0.000295. Now we are trading at the 284 level, so we need to see a bit more momentum from the bulls to retest that 29 level, get through that resistance, and technically it's still a lower high, right? So we're still putting through lower lows and lower highs, which is significantly a downtrend. Volume on the 4-hour time frame is just dipping away a little bit. On the daily, we're also seeing that sort of slip away a little bit as well. On the hourly, things are looking rather good. We're not too oversold or overbought, and I am feeling rather bullish on Luna Classic right now. I think the worst case scenario for a while would be retesting the 0.258 level here, as we did twice already. Then there might be a chance of, you know, further downwards continuation, but I think that's very unlikely at the moment. So big things ahead for Luna Classic. I think we are now in that sideways accumulation range, potentially waiting for the next, you know, big leg up. This is a massive V-shaped recovery right here, which is really bullish. The key level I want to see Luna Classic breakthrough, to be honest, is around about this 0.00033. I think that's a great start. If we can break through there, get through this 29 first, things will start to flip very bullish for Luna Classic. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hop into the Discord down below, come and say hi. Loads of people talking about Luna Classic. We're sharing all analysis, signals, news, much more, so it's a great place for you to start learning. If you also want to unlock some premium signals as well as early access to pre-sales and all the relevant information, you can check my Patreon page down below. Just the price of a coffee and chips or something like that. So do all those things if you want. Help me out, like this video, comment. Really big news today for Luna Classic, and I think, you know, in 2023 there might be a chance that we do retest the 5.9 level. Absolutely. And hyper bullish targets, well, we could easily be looking at the 8.5 and even knocking off a 0 to the 1.1 level over there. So yeah, let's stay optimistic. Let's not get too fuddy, but equally let's not get too bullish. Let's just try and sit in the middle of all the euphoria and the fear, because lots of emotions are changing with Luna Classic very suddenly, because we had greed here and then we're already down to extreme fear over here. So let's wait and see. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.